Welcome to Little Step Stories. Today we are going to learn the phonic sound for letter L. L has just one sound. L says L, or you can also say L says L. It depends on the word you're reading. L or L sound words. Lamp, lion, left, lizard, leaf, ladder, leg, lamb, lock. Now let's do a story. Lily's long learning list. Lily was a little girl. She loved to read books. She even loved to learn about things. She had a long list of things she wanted to learn about. Do you know what she had on the list? Let's have a look at Lily's long learning list. Lily looked outside the window and saw a tree with so many leaves. So, on her list, she wrote leaves. Lily noticed something crawl up the tree branch. What could it be? Oh, it is a lizard. So on her list, she wrote lizard. Besides the tree, she saw a lamb eating leaves. So on her list, she wrote lamb. Lily could see some small yellow balls hanging from the tree. But balls don't grow on trees. Then what could it be? She thought. Those could be lemons. So on her list, she wrote lemons. It was cloudy and dark. Lily wanted to switch on the light of a lamp in her room. But the switch was too high. So Lily used a ladder to switch on the light. Just when she got down the ladder, she remembered that she left her pencil up there. Oh no! Now Lily will climb up again. She needs the pencil to write her list. Lily really loved animals and stories of jungle animals. So on her list, she wrote lions and leopards. Wait, what's that on her paper? Lily saw some red little bug walking on her list. Yes, that was a ladybug. So on her list, she wrote ladybug. Lily looked at her list one last time. She had written leaves, lizard, lamb, lemons, lion, leopard, ladybug. Let me read and learn about these first, she thought. Lily knew one way of learning. Books. And do you know where did Lily find so many books? Library. Do you know what a library is? A library is a place where we can find lots of books to read and learn. So, Lily left home with her list and a lollipop to eat on the way to a library. Lily keeps making lists of things to learn about and loves going to a library. Do you have a learning